2, 1, Beezy! Alright, ready?
Good. Gold.
Good evening and welcome to Be Easy with Bird, Babe, and Beezy. I am Bird. I'd like to welcome you guys. Who's next to me?
Babe.
And
Mr. Beezy.
Mr. Beezy here
Mr.
tonight.
Yeah,
Very
Mr.
professional way to, yep, there you go.
Mr.
I like your Blue Jays shirt. That's nice.
Thank you,
Sporting
sir.
Canada.
Yes,
Really?
Toronto.
Toronto, very nice to hear. How are you guys doing tonight?
Fantastic.
Great.
Yeah, fantastic. Had a great day.
Definitely.
Yeah, got some good sun. 28
Went for a bike
degrees.
ride?
Bike
Yep.
ride.
We've actually had some great weather here in Newfoundland. Again, for new listeners or who don't know, we live in St. John's, Newfoundland. There's not a lot of great weather here
It's
often.
very strange for it to be this warm so early.
In
Yes, sir.
May, like
Yeah.
that's usually snow time, maybe.
Yeah.
We usually get snow May 24th. I think.
Yes.
And we didn't.
Sheila's brush.
Sheila's bro. She's Sheila.
I don't know who she is.
Your good friend
But she's the
Sheila.
little bit of snow that stays around at the
She's
end.
like, yes, I got you.
You know?
It's usually a big storm that comes actually.
Is it a big storm?
Yeah. It's like
Is
the
that what
last
Sheila's
storm of
brush
the
is?
year that's a really big snowstorm.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
I
If you
know.
didn't know.
Guys, this is our second episode. We're really excited to do this. Last week had a lot of very positive feedback. Fred's there showing up some of the new stuff.
Yeah.
Some of the feedback we had was to move the microphone in. I hope you guys can all hear us much better. We're trying to project our voices a little more. We got this beautiful new poster here. That's our new logo and sign. We got, what else we got? We got a new tablecloth.
Oh, hang on. Hang
Oh
on.
yeah, here we go.
Hold up.
We're going to show our viewers, we'll post pictures of all this stuff. And we got the panda, the ladybug, and the monkey, because he's always monkeying around.
But it should be the monkey in the middle.
Yeah, that's, I never
Wow.
thought about that. And Fred should be the
I
ladybug.
think we should put the monkey in the middle.
There we go.
Just makes sense.
Just for today.
Yes.
Awesome. So we're just trying to keep things a little interesting, guys. Change up our listening. One thing I do want to talk about, my uncle Robert, Robert Churchill, he lives out in BC. I'm pretty sure that's where he is now. He moves around a little bit, but he's always out west somewhere. He asked a question, actually. Last week, we all cheersed. And I think only Lori did it last week. But she came down and she tapped the table first and
Drink.
drank. He was curious what the tap the table was for. So, some people say cheers, some people say salute, but what it's all about is like you're cheersing to the future, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's like to the future, and when you come down, you're saying to the past. You tap for your past, and then you drink. So everybody's with us. Grab a drink, grab your beverage. We're gonna cheers
Yeah. Cheers.
to our future, to our past, and let's drink. I didn't know that to begin with. We just did it. We learned it in Dominican when we were down there.
Yeah, they just did it. I never knew why until now.
And then when I got the question, I was like, no, check that out. So I did. So thanks a lot, Robert, for that.
Did you
Yeah.
get the thumbs up?
Thumbs up, yeah.
Nice job.
So what are some of the Fred got a joke book now, guys. That's kind of cool. Thanks for showing everybody.
We're not gonna break him out yet, but
Not yet, but he got one. That's the whole point,
Yeah.
right? And then Babe's got her lots of topics, lots of new topics.
Always.
My sister Tracy Perrell, I want to give Tracy a shout out. We call her Trey, or Ash Trey. We don't really call her Ash Trey.
Ash Trey.
But Mom did smoke a little bit. Not while she was pregnant or anything. Sorry if anyone got that impression.
Carry on.
Carry on. My mother is great. I love you, Mom. We got new topics. Tracy sent us some topics. We looked through some of those. Lori's been busy all week. Beezy's been doing not much, but he definitely gives us a lot of support. He got his joke book, and he's been killing it.
Hey.
Just so you guys know. And his
Joke book and a notebook.
and a notebook.
Not much in it, but it's still there.
In case you need
It's
to write
really
something
cool.
down, really.
Exactly.
It's the coolest notebook.
Yeah, so, today's awesome here in Newfoundland. Very sunny, we're having a lot of fun. We're trying to stay outside, stay active. We do bike rides, we go for hikes. We try to, do whatever we can, play some basketball, go skating. Whatever we're going to do, we just like to have fun. What are you laughing?
Hey.
You said skating.
Skeeting. We do skeet and skate.
He meant skateboarding.
Skateboarding. Sorry, guys.
You said ski.
That's awesome. Anyway, we're keeping busy. We're trying to be positive. We're trying to stay safe with all this COVID-19 stuff. I hope everyone else is doing the exact same thing. We want to stay safe, but we also want to make sure we're close to our loved ones. Today we can expand our bubble here in Newfoundland again.
By 6?
6 more
6
people.
people, yeah.
So that's amazing. Maybe we'll get a special guest. Who knows? Maybe we'll just leave for special guests. Look at Fred's getting excited. He's been dying for a special guest, guys.
I want people to call in.
But we're not
Ask
on a
us
radio
questions.
show.
We'll be there. We will be there.
Yeah, we're gonna do a radio show someday too.
It'd be like half and half.
Yeah, we could just play some music and tunes. Speaking of music, you wanna play our music, Fred?
You've got
Fred's our
I'll
DJ.
playlist
Fred made a
for me.
playlist this week. It was awesome. So he's doing great.
I'll put it on shuffle for you guys.
He's gonna shuffle it for us guys. And we have flamingos on our tablecloth. So we're doing pretty good, honestly. Very positive feedback, guys. We're gonna keep this going.
You never mentioned the sign.
I did. We have a new
Second
sign.
time?
Yeah, we can do it again. I did, yeah. Lori said the second time. I'm gonna explain that for fun. So we just made a 25-minute episode. It was amazing. Now we're gonna
bloopers.
maybe.
Can they be bloopers?
We'll try.
They can be bloopers.
So anyway, we got 25 minutes into it, and Fred said he didn't like what happened. He wanted to stop and restart. We went through all of our topics, and now we got new ones, and we're ready to get going. Some are new, some are the same.
Some of the
We're
same.
probably not gonna
Did you
remember
show
them
up
all.
for Yoda?
No.
Oh, Yoda!
Because that was a cool part that has to be left in.
Yeah. So we got a
Put him
Yoda.
up close. He needs a close up.
Yeah, Yoda's a big. He's a very big influence of ours. None of us watch Star Wars, although my birthday is on Star Wars Day.
That's
Yeah,
actually
fourth,
the
fifth.
time, yeah.
All right, and I'm not a huge. I've watched them, but I don't watch a lot of them.
I haven't watched any.
No, see,
But I
but
haven't
enjoyed
either.
this character.
there is this two awesome videos that we're gonna post because they're so funny. One is called My Stick, and the other one is called Seagulls Stop It Now. And it's called Bad. What is it? Bad lip reading.
readings?
Bad lip reading, and it's just this like people doing voices over everything, and
I've
it's
listened to it about 5 million times so far.
there's a poster downstairs with Yoda, and everything's awesome with Yoda.
We'll post a picture of that later.
We'll put some pictures up, guys. I hope you like them. Make sure to share us. We want to be shared on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter now. Fred's running our Twitter
Yeah.
account. I don't know. What's that other thing called? YouTube. We're on Anchor. We're on honestly 5 or 7. I think 6 different platforms right now, guys. That means you guys are listening and pumping it up for us. We love it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Appreciate
guys. And yeah, I guess we're gonna get started. Lori, why don't you throw out the topic?
Here we go.
Might as well.
That's might as
That's
well.
what we're here for.
We're here for a good time.
I'm going to start with this one actually. A strawberry is not actually a berry.
What is it?
It's a fruit.
Yeah, I know it's a fruit, but
Yeah, but it's not a berry.
so it's not a berry. It's just like a regular.
It's called a strawberry, but it's not a berry.
Oh,
You know what I
I
mean?
got you.
Really,
now,
it's just
yeah.
a straw.
Yeah.
Are
And a
straws?
berry body.
I have a question. Are straws made from strawberries?
Yes.
100% correct.
I think so.
Oh, makes sense.
I'll go with
Yeah,
yes.
but based on this,
If anyone has any what?
watermelons and bananas are actually berries.
No.
Yeah, because berries have 3 layers, an outer skin, a fleshy middle, and it contains seeds on the inside.
I think you're talking about women.
Definitely not.
Seeds on the inside.
But I
Oh no, are we the
understand
same?
comparison.
I haven't did. I think I failed sex ed, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, anatomy wasn't your thing.
Anatomy, no. Now you're getting
Anatomy?
You're getting anatomy. You're trying to get anatomy,
You're
are
getting
you?
mad at
It would
me.
have been funnier if you said astronomy.
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 Boys, listen.
What's that? That's the one looking at the rocks, isn't it? I'm joking. It's geology. Sorry. I know it's geology. Uh-oh, look what he's doing. Look what he's doing, guys.
Just gonna have a browse for the people.
He's taking a look at his joke book.
Yes.
A cool joke for us. They're good. This just sounds nice song, yeah?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Great sound.
It's pretty mellow.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Stopwatch.
Stop watch you.
Stop what you're doing and let me in.
That was awesome.
Good joke, right?
Thank you. I'm gonna do another knock, knock if
Okay.
you don't mind. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Weed.
We do.
We'd better mow the lawn before it gets too long.
Guys, feel free to use these. They're not trademarked by us.
No, not us.
Maybe cool jokes there, but
Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows? Tell it to your
We'll never
friends.
know.
tell it to your friends. Enjoy it. All right, give us another topic there, Lolo.
Yeah, new topic.
Guys,
Some questions.
I'm gonna do something different this time.
Okay.
What cartoon world would you guys live in if you were to live in a cartoon world?
Rick and Morty, hands down.
Really? I've never seen their show.
You should watch it. It's really good.
Ah, no, it reminds me of that party we were at.
Yes, Halloween.
We went to this awesome Halloween party one time. Well, it was one of my friends who we went to.
Chris?
And Chris, yeah. Shout out Chris, what's up? And anyway, it's a great time. He always throws his awesome Halloween parties. We went this year too, remember?
Yes,
We did
Same crew were there,
Yeah.
just Rick and
I
Morty
kept
weren't there.
being called, what was it? What's the fucking name?
Spinelli.
Spinelli, but
We
you
were
Lisa.
Cheech and
they were
Chong.
Cheech and Chong.
I got called Spinelli all night long.
Yeah, and I was Red Ranger and Sean was Blue Ranger.
Yeah, they were a little younger crowd.
Sean was there too.
Yeah, a little bit younger than us.
They didn't know
Yeah, like-
Cheech and Chong very well.
No.
It wasn't like underage people, guys, just so you know. Like, if they were of
We're
age.
getting old now.
Yeah, we're 30. We're in a.
You're 35,
I'm on
but
my way to 40.
we're 34.
Yeah.
We're halfway to
9 days apart.
Yeah. But anyway, we went to this party, and this guy was dressed up as this guy and girl were dressed up as Rick and Morty, and it was hilarious. But they've
I
never
just
seen
feel
the
like
show.
It was the subject of the night. Like, it was mentioned
Yeah.
so many times.
Yeah.
And it was like,
Oh,
okay, I get
Spinelli.
it.
No,
But,
we're
like, even
talking.
the Rick and Morty thing.
Oh, Spinelli. No, we're on a Rick and Morty, friend.
Oh, man.
Well, he's off drinking a bit, eh?
We gotta have things around these.
Duct tape.
We can blink them out or something. If they ask us to, I think that they would be happy we're doing this.
I think
Yeah,
so
like,
too.
if anything, we're doing them a favor.
Yeah.
Right?
Fred, put the oven mitt down, please. You can cover it up your knuckles.
It's not really working.
No, Fred.
Tape was better.
We'll post a picture of this. Fred, please look.
Yeah, please screenshot that.
Oh, my phone's upside down. There you go. Screenshot it. Yeah, or else screenshot it.
Good?
You know what I mean. Come on. You need a spatula
We're
or
good.
like a spoon
We're good.
or something in the other.
Okay,
Alrighty.
if they ask, we'll
I want to hear
another.
another topic. Let's hear it.
Oh,
What about this one?
that is a good one. Humans and giraffes actually have the same number of neck bones.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
The same amount.
The same amount.
Same amount.
But, like,
not the same size or not differently spaced out apart.
What do you mean?
What's just the number of bones?
Yeah, so like the number of bones in the giraffes, like, they're just longer. And
The
there's
bones are smaller
ones.
and they're closer together on us.
But we've got like a...
So the same amount, just they're
Same,
like, oh.
exactly.
You ever see the people with their necks, they stretch them?
I've seen
Oh, I
that.
forgot about that. I've seen that before.
They used to put the rings on.
So does that
Train
mean
to go
that
up.
we could stretch our necks to
Yeah,
the size of a
and
giraffe?
Chinese people
No.
actually shrink their feet by
Yeah,
wearing really
that's
tight
actually
footwear
really, that
when
looks
they're
really
young.
painful and stuff.
Yeah,
I
because
think
they
that's
grow,
I
they
hope
cramp
that's
them up.
I hope it stopped.
that looks so hurtful.
That,
That's true.
yeah, that and the
Oh.
wet markers.
I didn't like that.
Oh,
Thank
we
you.
don't, that's the
Yeah, let's leave that off. That's not us.
I'm not happy about this all.
I know.
I apologize.
All
I
right.
understand that.
What were we talking about? The draft.
Yes.
I have a question for you guys.
7.
I'm so confused about the cartoon world. Did we do that?
Did we? I did it. Remember?
What did you say?
I said Rick and Morty.
He said Rick and Morty. We didn't do
No,
ours
all right.
yet.
Finish your
Yeah,
makeup.
yeah.
And then I'm asking
We're
my
gonna go
question.
back to that after this.
Okay. Oh, I'd be in Dragon Ball Z actually.
Oh,
Of
nice
course you
one.
would.
Yeah, I'd be the girl android.
Yeah, Android 17.
Yeah,
Cartoon
she's
world.
nuts. Oh,
I
she's
would-
married to Krillin though. Krillin was weird.
It was cool though. Man, I look just like Phil. Fuck you, Lori. I look kind
Do you know how to beat these words up yet?
Yes.
Okay, it's my turn now.
Hey,
if you don't
man's
mind.
X-ray did not
I-
fucking...
You just swore again, see?
It's not-
Um,
What's the kid rating?
Rated
PG.
Yeah, it's not rated PG.
No, this is rated. This is for only 18 and plus.
18.
18 plus. That's
Okay.
why we're drinking.
Good.
Yeah.
That's why we're.
All right, Fred, where would you be?
I would be. Animaniacs.
Wow.
Which one?
What?
Like the kid one or the regular one?
Yeah,
What?
like, would you be one of the Animaniacs?
No, he would just be Freddy.
I'd be
In
me
the
in
Animaniac
that
world.
world. Yeah, I would. Or you mean like you'd have to choose a
Yeah, I
character?
chose a character in the show.
Oh, did you?
yeah,
I'd be
like,
Bart Simpson,
What
hands
cartoon?
down.
Oh,
Bart Simpson.
But he's not in there.
maybe no.
No, I know.
But,
But, no, I know. But you know what I'm saying.
I'd be Rick. He's a genius.
You said what cartoon world? So
Now it's Simpsons?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Cheers. Hey,
That is
cheers.
it. Cheers.
To
Did you
the
explain the...
To the future,
future.
to the past.
Oh, that's like that song.
What? Don't you worry.
No.
Happy now.
Remember Chris Rock made fun of him in a stand-up?
To the window. To the wall.
Did you see that stand-up by Chris
I
Rock?
have,
That
yeah.
made fun of that? That was
Yeah,
funny.
he's good.
Can I
He's
ask my
stupid.
question now?
Yeah.
Go ahead with your question, sir.
What sound do you guys think a giraffe makes?
A giraffe.
Me.
May.
Me.
May.
Me.
Giraffe.
Zombie.
Like it takes so long to get up there.
What's wrong with your neck?
Oh.
You know, so long.
I knew a person one time. Their impression of a giraffe was, "Oh, I have a really long neck." I was like, "You're right. That's how a
pretty
giraffe
good.
sounds." Like,
That. Look it up. We'll let you know.
I
Can you
think.
actually look up the sound that a giraffe makes?
Yeah. Can we post a video for them
I'll
to
just-
see?
I kind of want to know.
We'll post a video. We'll do it. We'll just do it now. Can you guys just talk for a minute?
I'm gonna
Yeah.
tell a joke.
What joke are you going to tell?
Let me just pick one out.
Is that a ghost in a hockey net?
Possibly. If you wouldn't mind looking at your own book while I'm doing the joke thing. Thank you. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Tish is who?
This is a very bad joke. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Closure.
Closure.
Close your mouth when you're eating. You didn't think it was funny.
That felt like you were yelling at me.
Are you guys ready? You guys
No,
ready?
one more, Jay. One
How
more.
about the giraffe?
One more. Last one.
I think mine is gonna be like,
Knock knock.
that's my impression, and I don't know.
And mine is. Traveling up.
Sounds really scared, man.
He's
He's like a ghost.
Giraffes
Yeah,
aren't
it's like a
very.
ghost.
All right, Fred, one more joke, and then we're listening
One
to
more
a
joke. One more joke. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Despair.
The spirit.
Spare tires flat.
Wow.
Oh, I was like, these are
Let's
deadly
listen.
jokes.
That was amazing. I actually really liked that.
Just
one.
listen.
Wasn't it?
My mind was just blown. Is that actually a giraffe?
Play it again?
This stuff.
That was really.
You were
accurate
kind of
impression.
close.
Yeah.
I
I
don't
hear
know.
that, and all I can think of is now is
That's
Jay
weird.
doing the sound. You know?
So, just so you guys know, I am a big fan of giraffes. My mother watched when that giraffe was born, start to finish, of the pregnancy.
How long did it take?
8 months.